Hey girly pops, it is literally like 7, almost 8 o'clock at night. I'm currently updating my resume right now because I'm trying to apply for a few jobs right now. So that's the tea right now. But this wouldn't be a video if I wasn't doing a mukbang. So last night, I will say one thing about a bitch. I can do a lot of things and a lot of things I can't do. But I will say that trial and error is definitely in my freaking resume because a bitch ate it up last night and I made dinner. This is spaghetti. So this is what we're gonna be eating. I'm sad because I forgot to buy some French bread. These are leftovers basically. Last night, like I said, I made spaghetti and I had a recipe that I found from TikTok. And honestly, I feel like a fucking housewife, dead ass. Like, I would say that my family was like hyping me up last night, and I was like, period. Cause bitch, I will say I am not a good cook. I am not. I'm far from being a good cook. But let's get into it real quick. Cause, whoo, I'm just missing bread. Yeah, I'm missing bread, but fuck it. We're just gonna eat it just like this. Mm-hmm. 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 This shit is fire. Like, real bro. And this is my drink of choice. These are my addiction. We literally we go through packs every single week because they're that good. Mm. Okay, one more freaking bite and then I'm gonna get into my dessert. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So I've been dying to get into this. I've actually bought this yesterday and I went to bed so early because I was so exhausted yesterday. Like